Okay, we're still on investigation 2, the second part. I cleaned it up a bit to say we showed that the triangles were the same, and we showed it by SAA, and we showed that D was the midpoint. And it says here, look at just the 30, 60, 90 right triangles. How do AC and AD compare? Well, we already know they're the same. And they're the same because it's an equilateral triangle. We also know that we took the bottom side, AB. We know that AC equals AD. Excuse me. AC equals AB, which equals BC, because it's equilateral. We also know that we took AB and we split it in half. AD equals DB. So this must mean that AC equals the same as AD plus DB. And if they're the same, then we know that it says, how do AC and AD compare? Well, let's just substitute in for A. Let's put this in here, and we'll get AD plus AD. So AC equals 2 ADs. Or, so AC is double the length, or AD equals AC divided by 2. And this makes sense. Okay, so this is kind of what they're asking here. This makes sense because we said that D was the midpoint. So if we take a side and put it into two equal parts at the midpoint, then it must be the same. It must be that it's half. So we can say here AD is half AC. So that was the second part of it. So the conjecture would be, in the 30, 60, 90 right triangle, if the side opposite the 30 degrees, that would be AD, has the length X. So we'll call this X. Okay? Then the hypotenuse has the length. Well, we said if you know that AD is X, we can take this X and plug it in here. So AC, that therefore AC equals 2X. That's our conjecture, and we're going to go test it out. So that's the end of investigation 2.